everyone, welcome to the kitchen. And we're going to make some instant vanilla ice cream. So I'll tell you what you're going to need to do this. 1 kilo of ice, 300 ml of cold semi-skim milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, tablespoon of caster sugar, and 6 tablespoons of rock salt. And you're also going to need some plastic food bags. So the first thing we need to do is pour the milk into the medium food bag. I've got 2 medium food bags and 1 large bag. So in it goes. And then I'm going to add my vanilla extract and my caster sugar to this. Just seal that up. And just for safety, in case there's any leaks, I'm going to put it inside another medium food bag. Now I'm going to add the ice to the large bag. So I think the best way to do it is just use your hands. Just load that in there. So that's about 1 kilo that I've got in there. There we go. Now I'm going to tip the rock salt into the ice, and this is where the magic happens, because the rock salt, when it contacts the ice, it's going to make it go super cold and melt really quickly and help us to get our instant ice cream. So in it goes. And then I'm going to pop in my medium bags of milk. And I recommend wearing a pair of oven gloves because your hands are going to get really cold. Now I just need to get shaking this for 10 to 15 minutes until the milk turns into ice cream. So if you're doing this with kids, they can even have fun by throwing it between each other. I'm just going to get shaking. And I can see in there that's definitely starting to freeze. You can see the bag's kind of quite stiff now. So I've got a few more minutes to go. You definitely need to share this activity. I hope you've got lots of kids to be doing this with because it's worn me out by now. Well, that's definitely done. I can see that's all lovely and frozen, kind of like a soft scoop consistency. And now it's time to see the magic has happened. Oh yes, look at this, completely frozen instant vanilla ice cream. Look at that. Now have a little taste. Oh, that's delicious. All that shaking was well worth the effort. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I hope you'll make your own instant vanilla ice cream too. And if you do, share your pics and use the hashtag StaySafeGetCooking.